So this thing apparently turns on, but I can't get any thing on any of the stations. It specifies that it needs to have an antenna plugged in. So I don't know anything about this. I don't know if it's actually working, if it's only useful for parts, if it's working fine and just needs an antenna. You know, it gets power, it makes some fuzzy popping noises. So if you know about it, that would be great. And otherwise, if you know any ways to test it where I don't have to go buy a new piece of equipment, let me know. As pictured, it comes with the microphone. So thanks for looking.